एनालिटिक्स सुन ले भाजी एनालिटिक्स और तन दी जाके नाचने वाले ए बड़ा जागी जागी बाबा बाबा बोखना जागी जा बाबा बाबा बोखना दिली बाबा पहले सभी आ जाए.
The entire nation watched with rapt attention as 41 workers were brought out to safety after 17 days inside a collapsed Uttarakhand tunnel. The rescue was a marathon engineering operation where several agencies had to be brought in and contingency plans had to be put in place after giant drilling machines failed to get through the debris. Now the lull will remain until construction work resumes at the site. A co-op on Thursday said the construction work will remain suspended for a few days. Many construction workers, those who got trapped, may not want to return to the site, and a safety audit is also pending. National and disaster relief forces, the Indian Army, police and several other agencies worked round the clock to free the 41 men trapped beneath the collapsed Silk Yara tunnel in Uttarakhand. Another key figure in the operation was tunnel expert Arnold Dix, who advised the government and agencies during the rescue. Arnold Dix, who was flown in to guide the entire operation, shared a sneak peek of what the rescuers did after the operation was over. The members of the SDRF, along with Arnold, broke into a little dance accompanied by a local Pahari song celebrating the success of the operation, which, according to Arnold, was nothing but a miracle. Sharing the video of him and SDRF personnel dancing, Mr. Dix wrote, "Ever wondered how emergency responders feel when no one has been hurt? Join me with Uttarakhand's SDRF Police Rescue Unit as we celebrate our successful rescue from the tunnel." The professor also spoke about why the operation took time, even though several plans could be brought into action. He cited the example of the debate that preceded building a new road to the top of the collapsed structure to begin vertical drilling. He said experts routinely discussed the need to balance the lives of those trapped inside with risks to the rescuers and those to the environment. The site became the center of a lot of action as heavy machinery, including the auger machine, was deployed, along with the constant presence of a huge workforce and the regular VIP movement. As the 41 men waited to be rescued, the operation first started with an auger machine, but to speed things up, a US-made auger machine was brought in. As it faced technical snags, machines to cut its wings and bring it out from the tunnel were brought in. Vertical drilling, blasting from the other end of the tunnel, all were tried, while the breakthrough came when rat hole miners manually dug the last few kilometers of the tunnel.
Arnolytics and money, Arnolytics and money, Baba Bokinagi, Bale Baba Bokinagi. Arnolytics and Boli, मैंने भी वकी जान, बल मैंने भी वकी जान, SDRF का जवान, SDRF का जवान, खुश हुआ चन बहुत, बल खुश हुआ चन बहुत, सुन ले भाजी एनालिटिक्स, सुन ले भाजी एनालिटिक्स और तन दी जाके नाचने वाले ए बड़ा जागी जागी बाबा बाबा बोखना जागी जा बाबा बाबा बोखना दिली बाबा पहले सभी आ जाए और देखड़ू बाबा देखड़ू संसार तेते आ जाए अरे फंसी थने बाबा जके ये बात अरे फंसी थने बाबा जके 41 लोग आए अरे कैसे नहीं थे अरे कैसे नहीं उम्मीद वाले कैसे नहीं थे उम्मीद वाले अभी आला भैरा है बाबा मेरी कृपा हैगी
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.